Oh, hello there. You were wondering about Albert Einstein, weren't you? He was born March 14th, 1879. His most famous equation, E equals mc squared, helped with the development of nuclear weapons and other things of mass destruction. Next, let's dig into the historic tunnels of his childhood.
In 1879, Albert Einstein was born to a middle-class German Jewish family. His parents, Hermann and Koch, were concerned because Albert did not talk fully until age 3. At age 12, he became fascinated by a geometry book. He read many books in geometry and physics. In 1909, Einstein became an assistant to the University of Zurich. In 1911, he moved to the German University of Prague. He began to publish physics papers and to meet fellow scientists. In 1950, after a decade of thought and research, Einstein completed the general theory of relativity. He overturned ancient notions of space and time. He reached a new understanding of gravity.
Einstein was also featured in popular news productions such as Time magazine. Now something on the theory of relativity.
And explain the theory of relativity. So, say this guy throws a baseball. At 25 miles per hour. Then there's this chunk of dust or mud. So then the mud is traveling 25 miles per hour relative to the speed of the baseball.
Okay. Alright, so the baseball is already moving 25 miles per hour. So we're just going to mark that down as our initial speed. Two ants are playing catch with a little tiny baseball on the bigger baseball. And if the ant throws it at 10 miles per hour. If someone were to clock that speed, it would come out to be 35 miles per hour because the speed of the baseball is already on this baseball, which adds these two together. 25 plus 10 equals 35, so that's our end. Now something about nuclear bombs.
E equals mc squared once again. E stands for energy.
M is the mass of the object.
C squared equals the speed of light squared.
This equation was used in the development of nuclear bombs that were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Take a look.
Albert Einstein died April 18th, 1955, because he bleeded internally.
One of Albert Einstein's last quotes was, "One thing I've learned in a long life, that all our science measured against is reality, is primitive and childlike, and yet it is the most precious thing we have."